The hotel room is quiet at night.
I put the passports here, safe.
Good. I will watch this folder.
I play my game. No Wi-Fi needed.
Okay, family, let's go.
Yes, we are ready.
The porter loads 3 big suitcases.
Cabin 824, okay?
I hold the folder. I won't drop it.
They ride to the port in a car. Port Miami is busy and loud.
Wait, one photo was a ship. Wow, I see the water slide.
Stay close. Hold hands.
Okay, Mom.
Zip is closed. Good. I feel better.
Staff scan papers and help people. Mom gets the cards in her hand. They walk on the gangway to the ship.
Wow, it is beautiful. Arcade, pool, I want to go.
Stop, Jack. Muster drill first.
Okay, drill first.
Let me see the map. I need this.
Bunk beds, so cool. Top bunk for me, yes. This space is mine. I put my bag here.
Life jackets are here, good.
I hang my suit. It stays nice.
A speaker says, "Must drill soon."
Follow the signs. This way.
I am coming.
People stand in rows for the drill.
This is boring.
No phone, Emma.
Okay, okay.
Red signs show safety rules.
The ocean is so big. Wow.
It's okay, Jack.
Thanks, Mom.
Done. Let's go.
Finally.
Arcade now, please. Wi-Fi is so expensive.
No phone. I put it away.
They see the pool deck.
Look, the big slide. Sunshine after snow. Nice photo.
I can relax now.
The sea is calm. I feel good.
Miami gets smaller behind them.
How much is Wi-Fi? Haha, that is a lot. Stop laughing, Jack.
Meals together. Then free time.
Yes, I can do that.
Good.
Dad, arcade now.
Soon, buddy.
First tour together.
Okay. Wow, so many games. I edit my photos. I like this.
Here is water, Emma.
Thanks, Mom. I feel better now.
Good.
Work message, No. I lock it. Family first.
They walk past shops and lights.
Pizza. I want pizza. This necklace is pretty. Please, Mom, I want it.
No, Jack.
Oh,
Haha. Nice face.
Look, this is our budget. Ice cream time.
yay! When do we see an island?
Tomorrow. See the map here.
Smile. Quick photo.
The photo shows real smiles. Evening comes. Lights turn warm.
Tie is straight. Good.
His collar is tight.
Hold still, Jack.
Okay.
They walk past the theater posters.
Look, formal photo spot. Dessert. I want dessert.
Dinner first. Dessert after.
Okay.
Mom is the boss.
Yes, I am.
They arrive at the photo area.
I try to be serious. Haha. I can't stop laughing.
You did great today.
Thank you. No emails, I promise.
Night ocean is dark and quiet.
Look, stars. It is peaceful here.
I love this moment.
Me too.
Waves glow under the ship lights. Soft music plays far away.
Ready for the next thing.
Yes.
The elevator doors close slowly. The ship sails into the open sea.